A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hello. Day-to-day life is almost depends upon the branches of mathematics. Here, this topic will says about more examples for this. See the name of this topic? Sphere. Did we call all circular figures called sphere? Then the bangle that we wear in the hand have circular shape. What we didn't say it as a sphere, because when a figure called sphere, it must contain matter and it has a definite volume. Round solid enters our life in various ways as the thrill of ball games and as the sweetness of laddus. Now, let us look at the mathematics of such solids called sphere. If we slice a cylinder or cone parallel to a base, we get a circle. In whatever way we slice a sphere, we get a circle. The distance of any point on a circle from the center is the same. A sphere also has a center from which the distance to any point on its surface is the same. This distance is called the radius of the sphere and double this is called diameter. If we slice a sphere into exact halves, we get a circle whose center, radius and diameter are those of the spheres itself. We cannot cut open a sphere and spread it flat as we did with other solids. The fact is that we cannot make a surface of a sphere flat without some folding or stretching, but we can prove that the surface area of a sphere of radius r is 4 pi r square. The surface area of a sphere is equal to the square of its radius multiplied by 4 pi. Also, we can prove that the volume of a sphere of radius r is 4 divided by 3 pi r cube. What is the surface area of the largest sphere that can be curved from a cube of edge 8 centimeters? We can see from the picture that the diameter of the sphere is the length of an edge of the cube. So, the surface area of the sphere is equal to 4 pi r square is equal to 4 pi into 4 square is equal to 4 pi into 16 is equal to 64 pi centimeter square. Let us check another problem. A solid sphere of radius 12 centimeter is cut into two equal halves. What is the surface area of each hemisphere? The surface area of the hemisphere consists of half the surface of the sphere and a circle. Since the radius of the sphere is 12 centimeter, its area is equal to 4 pi r square is equal to 4 pi into 12 square is equal to 4 pi into 144 is equal to 576 pi centimeter square. Since the radius of the circle is 12 centimeter, its area is pi r square is equal to pi into 12 square is equal to 144 pi centimeter square. So, the surface area of the hemisphere is equal to half into 576 pi plus 144 pi is equal to 288 pi plus 144 pi is equal to 432 pi square centimeter. One more example. A water tank is in the shape of a hemisphere attached to cylinder. Its radius is 1.5 meters and the total height is 2.5 meters. How many liters of water can it hold? The volume of the hemisphere part of the tank is 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 2 by 3 pi into 1.5 cube is equal to 2 by 3 pi into 3.375 is equal to 2.25 pi centimeter cube. Volume of the cylindrical part is equal to pi r square h. Here r is equal to 1.5, h is equal to 2.5 minus 1.5 is equal to 1 meter. So, the volume is equal to pi into 1.5 square into 1 is equal to 2.25 pi centimeter cube. So, the total volume is equal to volume of the cylindrical part plus volume of the hemisphere is equal to 2.25 pi plus 2.25 pi is equal to 4.5 pi is equal to 4.5 into 3.14 is equal to 14.13 cubic meters. Since 1 cubic meter is 1000 liters, then 14.13 into 1000 is equal to 14,130 liters. That is, the tank can hold about 14,130 liters of water. Then you should evaluate all the questions that are given to your textbook and check whether the answers are right or wrong on MathsLab icon. See you later.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ എൻക്ലാപ്സ് ദ ലേണിംഗ് ആപ്പ്.